Can cats be trained to use a pet fountain for water? Cats are known for their independent nature and unique behaviors. One common behavior amongst cats is their preference for running water, which often leads pet owners to wonder if they can train their feline friends to use a pet fountain for water instead of a traditional water bowl. Before we delve into the idea of training a cat to use a pet fountain, it's crucial to understand why cats are attracted to running water. Cats have evolved from their ancestors, who primarily lived in arid environments. In such habitats, stagnant water sources are more prone to contamination and are therefore avoided by cats instinctively. Running water, on the other hand, is perceived by them as fresh, clean, and safe to drink. This innate preference for flowing water can be explained by their instinct to avoid potential sources of disease and infection. Given this knowledge, it is indeed possible to train a cat to use a pet fountain. However, it requires patience, persistence, and understanding of the cat's behavior. The training process can be divided into several steps to make it easier for both the owner and the cat. The first step is to introduce the pet fountain to the cat gradually. Start by placing the fountain next to the cat's regular water bowl and ensure it is set up and running smoothly. Let the cat get acquainted with the presence of the fountain in its environment without forcing it to use it immediately. Next, observe the cat's behavior around the pet fountain. Many cats are naturally curious and may inspect the fountain out of sheer curiosity. Encourage this behavior by gently tapping the water or allowing it to drip slightly, attracting the cat's attention. Once the cat has shown interest in the pet fountain, it's time to make the transition from the regular water bowl to the fountain. Gradually reduce the water level in the bowl and increase it in the pet fountain. Cats can be creatures of habit, so making this transition slowly will help them adjust. During this transition, it's important to maintain a clean and fresh water supply at all times. Cats are highly sensitive to odors, and any unpleasant smell or taste can discourage them from drinking altogether. Regular cleaning of the pet fountain is essential to ensure a hygienic drinking environment for the cat. Another useful technique during the training process is positive reinforcement. Reward your cat every time it approaches or interacts with the pet fountain. This can be done by offering a treat or verbal praise, and it will help associate the fountain with positive experiences. Some cats may be reluctant to use the pet fountain even after following these training methods. If this is the case, try different types of fountains as cats can have individual preferences. Some prefer fountains with gentle streams, while others prefer cat-specific fountains with small flowing waterfalls. Experimenting with different options can help cater to your cat's specific preferences. In conclusion, while cats can be trained to use a pet fountain for water, it requires patience and understanding of their natural behaviors. The training process involves gradual introduction, positive reinforcement, and maintaining a clean water supply. By following these steps, pet owners can provide their feline friends with a source of running water that meets their natural instincts and promotes proper hydration.